So Virat Kohli comes out to the middle. Excellent record, 115 matches. He's got a good strike rate, career best of 183. And already 1500s. Comes out with India still needing 184. And is off the mark straight away. He was a little more tired after getting the runs here. And similar delivery, similar dismissal. Rohit Sharma has played his part as well in this partnership. Just there was a phase in the innings where he be aware of that. Four of the over. It's 183 for one. That's in the air, in the gap as well. So that will reach the boundary. He's looking to hit a lot straighter, Virat Kohli.
Yes, the fielders are in the 30-yard circles looking to take advantage of that. But just over the fielder at mid-wicket. It's 4 runs still. I think just a hint of desperation there simply because of the earlier overs, earlier quiet overs, and that's needed.
Wanting the single, rightly sent back by Rohit Sharma. What a shot this is. He's picked the bones out of that and just nailed it down the ground for 6.
Just the kind of finish that they wanted. 194 for one. Oh, this is a terrific shot by this young man, advancing down the pitch, giving himself just a little bit of room, and he's hit it ramrod straight. Great stuff.
Inside out. Wow, spectacular work. It's that man, Maxwell. Line. This time it's straight. It's flat and it's 6. 200 comes up for India. And Virat Kohli getting a move on.
We're witnessing magic here. Virat Kohli was looking for that straight boundary right from the start of this over. Picked up the ones, then bang, 6.
Sensible. 10 runs of the over. 204 for one. Need a good spell here, Australia, from somebody.
Shiv, I think Australia need a couple of...
Over the top. Clean as a whistle. It's gone the distance as well. 14 runs of the over. Kohli looking dangerous. India 218 for one.
Gee, this is a good shot. Backs away to the onside just a little bit to clear his hands. Stays dead still. We've said it so many times. We've heard delay someone like MS Dhoni having to come in on Yuvraj Singh.
That's the top shot. Wow. He's stunned. Shane Watson just back of a lane. And he gets into a great position very quickly. Virat Kohli. 4th, 6th for him.
Well, he's just punished this. Shane Watson dragging this ball down. Bang! 96 metres of pure joy for Virat Kohli.
Big appeal from Mansingh. No sound. Nothing from Vineet Kulkarni, the umpire.
Almost willing a wicket here, Shane Watson, in that appeal. Australia know now that they have got their backs up against the wall. There was a sound. There was a sound.
Oh, yes.
Unusually, though, Haddon doesn't really respond. I mean, wicket keepers, they go berserk over that sort of stuff usually. Had a little bit more of a look at that.
He's in outstanding touch here, and he's dealing in boundaries. He's on 39. He's got 2 4s and 4 6s with a strike rate of 195, entertaining a big crowd here.
He is on a roll here as this partnership goes to 50. On fire. Right from the start, he's just been so committed to playing positively. And we said it right at the start, it's all about laying that foundation. The top of the order, just taking responsibility and building a big partnership, gives that middle order such freedom to come in and express themselves.
Sensible. 12 runs of the over. It's 230 for 1. Kohli wants to. Is Rohit good enough? Fit enough? Yes, he is.
So you can stay in the hunt at this particular stage of the game.
Oh, awesome. Unbelievable batting this. He's making batting look so very simple. Virat Kohli here. No wonder he's rated as the best young player.
Oh, this is genius. We are watching something incredible here. We just can't take this moment for granted. And we said right at the start of this run chase that it had to be perfect. Well, by gee. Can't think of too many balls that haven't been played perfectly this evening.
Settle for the single this time.
Amazing.
This is a very brave move here for the left-arm spinner inside the ring. It's called for 2. Mitchell Johnson in the deep. Big cheer here. It deserves every bit of it. A 50 of just 27 balls. Sensational this. His third 50 in a row.
And just adding to his 26th ODI 50 off 27 rocks. Oh. And imagine he'll be thinking to himself here as he shows that pumping arm of defiance towards his dressing room that, come on boys, you know that we can do this tonight. 7 is phenomenal.
And again, it's big. It's huge. Kohli on a roll. 250 comes up for India.
Pick the bones out of that. Oh, gee, he said it was going to be dangerous. He likes to go in to out. Gave himself a bit of room. Threw his hands through it. 98 metres of solid pain there for Doherty.
Awesome batting for these two, especially Virat Kohli. Getting his bottom hand into play. Good bowling as well. Change of pace.
Towards his teammates. Back live.
The batsman to queue up.
That's 4. Just a flick of the wrist. That wrist away. Can get that bottom hand into play, Virat Kohli. He's done exactly that.
It's really, really tough for a left-arm seamer to bowl with just 3 fielders on the onside. Just with the angle, using his feet, just picking the gap up. There's 3 fielders on the onside. It's not fair on a left-arm seamer.
And as a batsman, you know what line he's looking to bowl. It's angling across the right-hander, so he could get into a position early. He does that. Smack again onside, being peppered. Consecutive boundaries. And India could well win this game on a canter with overs to spare. It's the second highest run chase ever in the history of the one-day game. They're making light work of it at the moment.
This is fantastic batting. 66 of 34 deliveries. This man is special. Virat Kohli, and there's still no change in the field. Still the same field. Will one delivery go again through the onside?
Quietly takes the single.
Circle. So what it does is you get 4 singles and over, and then you hit a boundary.
That's 4 wides. Oh, what a shot that is. Straight to the fielder. Goes through the offside with tremendous power. He wants 100 as well. Well, what entertainment is this? And like I mentioned, he is a terrific all-round player.
This is a serious cricketing shot. Bang, pitch it up. You keep your field, I'll still pick the gaps. Scramble seam and someone bowling at almost 150 kilometers an hour.
Well, every chance of him getting 100 here as well. He's 25 away. India need 54. He's on line to get one of the quickest hundreds if he does get it. That's wide. He's gone on to 76 from 42. Goes inside out. They're both in a hurry. Just to remind our viewers, this is not a reduced game, it's a 50-over game. And India chasing 360. 36 needed of 59.
A very good shot, inside out. Knows where his fields are. This time, too long on. Runs every delivery, whether it's Rohit Sharma or whether it's Virat Kohli.
India blazing away at this stage. That's the single in the commentary box, Harsha Bogle, and with him Matthew Hayden.
To go of the last 33, he's got 14 balls in which to get them. Now that has just about got the distance. Yes, it has. Eventually much more. It seemed when it was in the air that long on was in business. He just saw it soar.
He's gone right up the front of the plane here. He's flying business class all the way. In fact, first class. Wow. Been consistent all night. Striking boundaries and sixes all around the ground. And here we see another one roll away. And gee, that record is looking shaky, Harsha.
92 from 47 balls. And this, what we're seeing today is an eye-opener, make no mistake. We're seeing an eye-opener because we're seeing a very, very stiff chase against a perfectly decent international attack being rendered irreverent. They'll get the single. He should get that 100 now. 7 from 22. 7 out of 22. He's done this before. India to make 320 in Australia. He got it now. All balls phase this innings. Any dot balls there at all? He's just taken control from the moment he came in. Look at the number of yellows. That's the boundaries. 8 4s, 6 6s. Now he's got this one too. It brings him to 99. He's a very, very special young man, this Virat Kohli.
He's eyeing down this record for sure. I reckon that someone's rung this message out to him. He wants a piece of Sehwag's record, I'm tipping. Magnificent fashion, once again. The perfect technique to swinging his hands through, keeping his head still, his eye over the ball, and just trusting his magnificent hands.
He's almost there. There's almost so many one-day matches behind them, but still very young in years. And he'll get the 100. The fastest one-day international century by an Indian. It's come in 52 balls, and it has been an absolutely sensational effort. Make no mistake, we're seeing a very, very special player take giant strides in international cricket.
It's the 7th fastest 100 in ODI history. Virat Kohli just sucking it up, isn't he? Take a bow. Magnificent performance. And great to see a young fella take on the records as well. Want it. Desire to be the best.